Can Western Virginia compete with West Virginia when it comes to cocktails? We're in Winchester, Virginia today to figure that out. This is a restaurant that opened just 3 years ago. It's a brewery slash restaurant. It was a former newspaper building that transformed into this massive restaurant and brewery with an extremely long bar, along with this beautiful outdoor patio area with this nice and cozy fireplace. They actually have a rum-based old fashioned on their cocktail menu. However, the mixologist in there said it was overpoweringly sweet, so we went with the classic old-fashioned recipe. Jump off this appearance, nice glass, little orange peel here, regular cherry, haven't seen that in a while, like your classic red cherry as opposed to a Luxardo cherry. No single cube, no clarified ice. A little bit shocking considering this is like a newer establishment. With that said, again, it is primarily a brewery, so all right, let's get in this first few sips. Let's get it going. Your classic old-fashioned recipe. It's a little on the spicier side. When I say that, I mean it's strong. You're gonna get a lot of bang for your buck in this cocktail. However, it's got a little heat to it. Cheers to all the old-fashioned queens and kings. Let's get it going.
The old-fashioned king, the old-fashioned king.
Not too bad on the final chug, if you will. We review these old fashions off of 4 things: 0 through 1 on the ambiance of the establishment. Then we do 0 through 3 on the appearance, first 2 sips, and the overall experience. Ambiance, this place is only 3 years old. Nice historic vibes inside. Beautiful outdoor patio with the cabanas and fireplace. Ambiance will go full 1. Appearance, they got a nice sized glass. No single cube, no clarified ice, and the old school regular cherries in there. Appearance will go 1.5. First 2 sips, solid OF. Classic recipe. Tad bit too much heat, but it's decent. First 2 sips will go flat 2. And then overall experience, no clarified ice, no single cube, is gonna dilute heavy. You can see the ice is already completely gone. We're gonna go 1.7. All right, and there you have it, our first episode in Western Virginia, Winchester, Virginia. Today we're at Vibrissa. Virginia is for Grubbers 6.2. Cheers.